Okay, this is Chronicle entry number 4. Okay, so this thing is starting to look more and more like a monster and a drone. So, making great progress on this thing. So let me get you guys up to date to what we've done. So today we programmed this guy. So again, this is our flight controller. This is our onboard computer, which is actually going to be using code to fly this drone. We have our low light camera that I need to figure out where the heck we're gonna mount for our facial recognition. Engines are on. We got the under here. These are the speed controls on which those things had to be soldered to the board down below. So this is the power bus board down here on the bottom. And we're just about there. So again, the flight logic has all been programmed. Everything is pretty much hooked up except for the power to the board, which I have the battery right here, and I need to figure out how I'm gonna get that power onto this board so that this can power the Raspberry Pi, which powers the flight controls. So that's next. Before I do all of that, I'm gonna do all my continuity checks, make sure we're able to get voltage everywhere and there's no circuit breaks. And then we're gonna get power to it and do some tests on the controls. Oh, and so still got a couple of other things. We have the GPS module to put on here. We have the radio telemetry to put on here. And we have the LiDAR so that we can do at least some forward looking object avoidance. And one more gimbal camera. We'll figure that out when we get there. So that's where we're at. Starting to look like a drone. And we're gonna get cracking on it. Till the next episode. Peace.